Good morning. My name is Art Kurtz, and I'm a partner at Axley, and I specialize in the area of family law. It is not infrequently that I am asked to review or talk about premarital agreements. There are three situations where I believe that premarital agreements make sense. The first situation is when one or both parties come into the marriage with children from a prior marriage or prior relationship. In those cases, those people want to protect some or all of their assets for their children or their grandchildren. And in that case, a premarital agreement is quite reasonable. The second situation is when there's a great difference between the parties' assets. If one party comes into the marriage with almost no assets, while another person comes into the marriage with great assets, that person often wants to protect some or all of those assets in case the marriage does not work out. The third situation is when one party comes into the marriage with substantial debt, and the other party does not want their assets to be used to satisfy those debts. In that type of case, again, a premarital agreement makes a lot of sense. When you enter into a premarital agreement, you certainly want it to be enforceable by the court in case a divorce occurs. There are three requirements to have an enforceable premarital agreement. The first requirement is that both parties must make a complete financial disclosure to the other party. That includes listing your assets and your liabilities, so each party knows exactly what the other party is bringing into the marriage. The second requirement is that the agreement must be entered into freely and voluntarily. In order to satisfy that requirement, we strongly suggest that both parties have an attorney to discuss with them the terms of the premarital agreement. The third requirement is that the agreement must be fair. It must be fair when it was entered into and must be fair at the time of the divorce. If all three requirements are met, then the court will enforce the premarital agreement. This will save you a substantial amount of time and costs in case the divorce does occur. We hope that your marriage is successful. However, if it is not, we would be happy to assist you in any way we can. Please give us a call if you have any questions regarding premarital agreements or any other family law issues. Have a great day.